Let's take a look how to access the Traveller Activity Dashboard. From the left-hand navigation, click Traveller Activity, and you can see that there are a list of travellers, their origin, their next checkpoint, as well as their check-in times. You can use the search bar to search for a traveller or a destination. You can use the teams by selecting and deselecting the team of choice that you would like to search for. You can select the statuses, as an example, any cancelled journey, completed journey, pending journeys, or active journeys. And you can also set date parameters. You can set advanced dates in the event that you would like to be more specific around the dates. Simply select the calendar, the time, the end date and time, and then click Apply. In this example, I'll show you how to search for Brisbane. You can see here that Brisbane has been identified as a next checkpoint as well as an origin. If I wanted to be more specific and know who is at the Brisbane airport, I can see that Jeremy Martin was due to check in 17 minutes' time, but he's cancelled his journey. So this is really quite useful to know where your people are. And this particular dashboard refreshes every couple of seconds, so the data that you receive is in real time.